Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and Mixed Media Frenzy. Today we will all be using the same sketch, me and a few of my Scrappy friends, and it's this sketch right here. And I think Scrappy's sisters picked this one out, and it is so cute. And I'm going to pretty much go along with what it has on the sketch right there. I guess that's an actual layout though. My picture, again, was too big, so I had to cut it down. I did not want to cut from the top, so I cut from the bottom and the side, and I did the right-hand side. So that puts my grandson over to the right a little bit more. But the reason I did that is you can see the reflection of his stepmother taking the picture in the glass of the aquarium. And then on the top, I didn't want to cut it off because you can also see trees and bushes and stuff reflecting in there, because this is an outside aquarium, and it reflected all that stuff in the picture. I'm sure you probably can't see. Well, if you look really, yeah, you can see it. At least I can see it on my screen. In the left-hand side, you can see her. She's expecting. She's probably about 6 months, 7 there, and she's taking these picture, which is a good thing. Anybody that takes pictures of my grandkids, I get all excited over. Even though I wasn't there for this, I know he likes seeing his photos scrapbook from, his dad's side of the family. I put white in my green again, but then I also added some blue. Last week I added those two colors together, and I did the same this time, but I added some blue on there because I wanted some blue here and there. The picture has more blues than it does greens. It does have greens though down towards the bottom. And since his shirt was red, I thought I'm just going to go ahead and mat it in red cardstock. Mostly just because I liked it and I wanted the picture to pop. Uh, these, what I'm using for this layout is my How to Kill a Kit with Style. And I'm going to just use scraps out of it. And then this thicker set is from Field Trip, Chamel's Field Trip, and it's in my kit. But those other stickers there, they're from Pebbles, and they're pretty old, I think. I think I've had them a while. I threw them in my kit so that I would use them. And those colors there, I don't know if they went with that or not, that Pebble sticker sheet, but it was this piece of scrap in there, and I thought I could use those colors on here. I wanted to make sure I had some orange. Orange is his favorite color, so I always like to use it on a layout because he does notice that I added orange. Of course, I pointed it out to him the first few times probably, but yeah, he notices it. So although you see the yellow there, I'm going to flip it over and use the orange. And I decided I didn't need, I was cutting that in half so I could use half on the top and half on the bottom. But then I thought, everything is glued down so good already. Yeah, I glued down without thinking. I should have just threw the liquid glue on there later. But I had to tuck in, and it was a little bit hard on some of this stuff. These stickers are really cute. They're shiny, but they're cute. And I'm going to put flowers at the bottom. Well, one flower at the bottom and one flower at the top right, kind of like they do in the sketch. Only I'm not going to have one in the bottom right on there. I'm going to put some fish on here instead. I've had the fish a long time, and they're just adorable puffy fish, and I think I got them from Walmart one time. And yeah, I'm going to use them on this page. Uh, those paint things kind of remind me of waves, even though they're not wavy. But that was my first thought when I seen it. It looked like a tropical layout, because of, it was. But I thought, "Ah, I can dig this picture out," which I've had a long time. He had told me they were on her Facebook page and that I might want to get them to scrapbook. And so, yeah, I did. I got them to scrapbook. See there, I'm putting that glue down again, and then I'm going to regret it because, yeah, that's the way it goes. I should just wait and put the liquid glue down on this mixed media after I am done. And look at me struggling with those stickers. They weren't coming up. So I decided to get some different ones, and I got these jelly bean soup ones, and they're kind of big. So I was able to tuck the bottom of the F in, but I'm not going to be able to tuck the bottom of the Y in. So I'm going to have to cut a little bit of it off just to make sure it'll fit. But see me trying to get it, and no, it is not going. So I'm just going to cut the end off and get it down as far as I can get it. And see me struggling there, yeah, but it's on there. So I'm happy. And here's the fish, and they're Sticko, so they're not that expensive. I probably paid 97 cents for them, but they are adorable. So I picked the ones that had blue and green on them. I think there was some really dark blue, almost a purple looking color too. But I decided that'd be okay. I wasn't going to have too much of it. And other than the sequence, I think that's it. I think I'm about done with my layout. It didn't take long at all, other than waiting for my mixed media to dry. Even putting the mixed media on did not take very long. Let's see. Yeah, and all it is to put the sequence on there, and then I'll be done. I really don't think there's anything else left to do. But if you will look down there below, you will see everybody else's links, so you can see what they did with the same sketch and what their inspiration was from it. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video, hit a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you who already are, thank you so much. And also, thank you for the lovely comments that you leave down there below. Yeah, there's my layout, and it's my title, Super Fun Day. And yeah, that's my grandson, and you could tell he's having a lot of fun. There was pictures of the St. Louis Ark too, and so I need to get them scrapped. I'm so far behind on scrapping pictures. I used to scrapbook a lot more, and then my back got to bothering me, so I was kind of recuperating on the weekend. And now that I'm retired, though, I've got more time to scrap and to catch up with all those pictures that I didn't get scrapped over the years. He probably is beginning to think I was never going to get these done. But yeah, they're done now. Well, this one is, not all of them. But yeah, there's my layout. And yeah, I kind of got that bottom line just a little bit crooked. It kind of goes uphill, but I think it'll be all right. I did a blotch there. You see that kind of blotch? That kind of brings it down a little bit. I accidentally caught it with my brush a little bit. Yeah, but I thought, oh well, it'll go. It looks like a splatter, and really, technically, it wasn't. I think the bottom part touched, and then I just kind of, maybe the top part is splatter. I don't know. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.